Hey children, so we're going to work on problem 3 together as an example / practice for you to do problems 1, 2, and 4 on your own. So if you look at problem 3, it's asking us to write the equation of a perpendicular line. So we want a line that's perpendicular to this line, but it has to go through this point, okay? So the reason they tell us that it's perpendicular to this line is because we can use what we know about perpendicular lines to figure out some information about our new line. Basically, what we know is that if you have a perpendicular line, then your slopes have to be opposite reciprocals. So my current slope is 3/4. I need to get the reciprocal, 4/3. And it needs to be opposite. So this original slope was positive, so the opposite of that is negative. So I know that the slope my new equation needs to have is -4/3. That's what it needs to have in order to have a perpendicular path with the line that's right here given to us. So now I have the slope and I have the point, -3, 5. So this is x1, y1. I write down my formula. Let's see, my formula is y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. Sorry, it's a little bit messy there. And then I plug in what I have. So I'm going to have y minus 5 equals -4/3 times x minus a -3. Okay, now at this point I want to change any minus negatives to just positives and make my equation a bit simpler to work with. So I have y minus 5 equals -4/3 times x plus 3, and now I'm going to work on distributing. I'm going to move over a little bit. Okay, so if I distribute, I get, I'm going to move up here, y minus 5 equals -4/3 x. Shoot, I don't have enough space. I have y minus 5 equals -4/3 x minus 4, because that 3 cancels out with the 3 in my denominator. Next thing I do is I add 5 to both sides. I get y equals -4/3 x plus 1. And there you have it. This is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to our original line, and it goes through this point, which means that this point is a solution to this equation. If I were to plug in -3 for x, then this part right here would end up equaling 5. Okay, so this, along with what we did for our do now, should be more than enough example for you to do problems 1, 2, and 4 on your own. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.